Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Royaltie AI, and I'm going to be showing you how to add a tracking code to your website, all right? Now, I decided to go ahead and use the Facebook pixel since it's one of the most common ones out there to show you pretty much how to set this up using the Royaltie platform. All right, now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's content. So as you can see, I'm right here in the back office, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to where it says websites, and I'm going to click right there on websites. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go as if I'm setting up a new website, and I'm just going to kind of go through the process with you as if you were, like I said, if you're already in Royaltie, maybe you already have a website. Like I said, this will be beneficial, or if you're looking from the outside in. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to click on add new, and then I'm just going to name this Test Biz. All right, so let's just roll with that. Test Biz will be the name of the website. The website name will be Business Test. Okay, and then we'll keep it on English, and I'll just name this biztest.now.site, and then I'll choose the category. I'll just go ahead and go with business services, and I'll go with consulting. Okay, and then from there I'll just go ahead and click on next. All right, so boom. All right, so my website is created at this particular time, right? It went ahead and did it for me. So there that is, just gave me basically a template, and then I can pretty much just edit anything as I need, okay? Now, from this particular point, what you wanna do, let's say if I wanna put a pixel on this particular site right here, what you wanna do is you wanna go up here, okay? You see AI, and you see the little Koenig right here, right? So what you wanna do is you wanna click on the Koenig, and then over here, you're going to see a whole bunch of different things. Now, if you look right here, all the way at the bottom, you see this? It says add custom code. So if I click right here and then I click add new code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my business manager. I'm going to grab the Facebook pixel and I'm going to put it on here to show you how to actually set it up. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go over here to my business manager. I'm going to assume, since you're looking up how to set up the Facebook pixel. Maybe you're already on Facebook and you're doing some type of advertising, but I'm going to kind of go through it with you so you can see. All right, so here, first things first, when you're in the business manager, you want to click here, and then you want to go to events manager. All right, so then it's going to take you over to the place where you're going to be able to find your pixel so you can manually install it, right? Because it's really a very it's not very complicated. Setting up this pixel, and you're going to see here in a few minutes. All right, so right here, it's pretty much still loading, but once it loads, okay, so we're good now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here to where it says details. And then right here, it says setup. I'm going to click the drop down arrow, and then you can see right here, it says install pixel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on install pixel. And then right here, you see it says add code using a partner integration, manually do it, or email the instructions to a developer. Now, if you have a developer, email this over to them. They'll know exactly what you need to do, which is basically what I'm going to show you here. But what we're going to do for this video is we're going to use manually add pixel code to the website, right? Well, basically, you're going to be doing it ourselves. Now, I'm going to click here, and then all I'm going to do, you see this code right here? All you're literally going to do is click on this, and then you're going to go back over to your Royaltie website, and you're going to paste that code right there, okay? Just like that. Nothing complicated at all. And then you're just going to name whatever you want that code to be. So I'll just do FB Pixel, oh, I spelled that wrong. FB Pixel code new. All right, so that'll be the name of it, and then all I have to do is literally just hit save, and boom, right? And when I hit save here, and then I actually save the entire page, let's see if it'll let me save the entire page. I may have to, okay, so there it is, website created. And then if I go down here, you'll see, there's the website I literally just created. And then here's what you could do to test. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have this extension right here. So if you're using Chrome, I would recommend you use Chrome because you can actually check to see if your pixel is actually working. But you want to make sure you get the Facebook Pixel Helper. So all you have to do is just literally type up here Facebook Pixel Helper, and then it should pull up the Chrome store as one of the actual links. All right, so you see this right here. Click on Facebook Pixel Helper, and then you'll see that I actually already have it as an extension, but you may not necessarily have it as an extension yet. So what you want to do is you just want to go here, and it won't say remove from Chrome, but if you don't have it, it'll just basically go take you through the steps of actually installing it. Okay, so that's pretty much all you have to do to get the Facebook Pixel Helper. Now the next part is to actually verify it. Okay, so if I go back here, it's gonna say like continue, and then it says test the code, but I could already see that my actual pixel is active. Okay, and then if I hit continue, this will be like if you're trying to set up, like you want to track when somebody actually clicks a button. Okay, but I'm not going to do that on this particular video. I just kind of want to show you the basics, right? Because I don't want to complicate this for you. I just want to make this process as simple as possible. Okay. All right. So let's go back over here, and we're just basically going to open up this website. And since I already have the pixel, I should see the pixel show up right here on this website. All right. Boom. So now there's the website. There's the pixel showing that I have it set up. And that's what you want to see when that'll let you know, hey, your stuff is set up good and you're good to go, right? And you can start advertising your website, and you can literally start the retargeting process. Now, this is the retargeting process for if you, let's say for instance, you're not necessarily trying to leverage the royalty retargeting, such as like, you have your online ads going, and then people are hitting your website or whatever, and you're having a royalty, you're using a royalty system. Well, they also gave you the opportunity to actually just put a pixel on whatever website you build and then be able to retarget them on other platforms. So for me personally, this is something, I've been waiting on for quite some time. I'm glad Royaltie came through when it comes to actually allowing us to add HTML. So it doesn't just stop here. So if you're trying to use Facebook pixels, Google pixels, pixels for like timers and different things, you can test some of those different things out. So that's why I say it gets pretty fun. And them allowing us to pretty much add that HTML. So I'm pretty excited about this particular feature. And if you're excited about it, let me know down below in the comments if you're actually going to start implementing this, right? All right, so with that being said, if you got some value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful. And if you're ready to get started with Royaltie, and if you're looking from the outside in, just use the first link in the description. That'll get you started. I left all of my contact details down below, my phone number, my Facebook. But if you do decide to add me, make sure you send me a message to let me know, hey, I watched your video, so I actually know, because sometimes I get a bunch of different friend requests, and I don't know what they're all related to. So with that being said, like I said, if you got some value from the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.